तो वो लोग जो चाहते हैं कि यार बस अब इंतजार नहीं हो रहा, अब अपार्टमेंट चाहिए, चाबी चाहिए, उनके लिए द व्यूज टावर इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन टू गो फॉर.
Right.
इट इज ऑलमोस्ट रेडी. कुछ इन्वेंट्री रह गई है, वो हम ब्रीफ करेंगे इवेंचुअली आहिस्ता आहिस्ता.
Right.
बट व्हाट डू यू थिंक मोहित?
सबसे पहले तो इसकी जो डायनामिक्स हैं, ये क्या है और वो क्या है. सो दिस इज नॉर्थ टावर, दिस इज साउथ टावर, दैट्स नॉर्थ टावर. इफ यू सी एस्थेटिकली इट्स वेरी प्लीजिंग. सिमिलरली यहाँ पर भी टाउन हाउसेज हमें मिल जाते हैं, ठीक है, व्हिच इज ऑफ कोर्स ऑल सोल्ड आउट. नीचे आपके सिटिंग स्पेसेस, वॉकिंग एरियाज एक्सेट्रा. यू हैव अ बीच राइट इन फ्रंट, ठीक है. देन यू हैव रिटेल आउटलेट्स वेयर you will have your dining, coffees and restaurants etc, right? And then just similarly like Panorama, this has parkings, right?
Yes. It has 7 floor parkings, 2 basements and 5 floors. 5 तो parkings है और वो भी साउथ टावर में. People have to park their cars and थोड़ा सा walk करके they have to go to north.
Because the lobby is the same.
Yes, it's connected.
So it's like a lobby is the same. आप left की side पे lobby पे जाएंगे and you can go to the that. But Asad, to explain it further, right? How many apartments are there on this floor, on this tower in one floor? How many elevators and what about this?
So it has 2 towers. Tower A, इसको हम बोलते हैं
South.
इसको हम बोलते हैं South Tower. It has 8 apartments each floor, which are stating 4 on full sea facing, 4 are marina and downtown facing.
Right.
Right. It has 4 elevators, 3 plus 1. 1 means cargo. Same goes for here. ये टावर मुझे बड़ा पसंद है मुझे. I'll be honest, because the lesser the apartments, the lesser the crowd. It has 6 apartments, which is the lowest अभी तक. इसकी structure है 4 bedrooms are front, 3 are full sea facing in front.
Right.
Remaining 2 are on the right and 2 are at downtown facing.
Okay.
लेकिन इसमें हमारे पास offer chance deal है.
But सबसे पहले my favorite part, which is the amenity floor.
Yes.
Which is all ready. And this is where you can come and see how the pool has happened, because पानी तक डल चुका है, सब कुछ ready है, the gym is ready, the kids play area is ready, jacuzzi, sauna,
so we can say
and the infinity pool. आप यहाँ आके खड़े होंगे इस जगह पे and you can really stand here now, and जब आप देखेंगे कि क्या view आ रहा है, this is amazing, तो बहुत ही अच्छा और ज़बरदस्त amenity floor है. And again, we still have an amazing opportunity here. So for people who are looking कि जी मैंने तो बस foreign food खाना है, rent भी कमाना है, या मैंने foreign रहना है, या फिर so this again has amazing opportunity where I think rental revenue, yes, but even capital appreciation still has a gap to grow.
Very true. Very true. So, अभी इसमें options हमारे पास available हैं 4 bedrooms which are full sea facings.
Right.
Then we have remaining 2 bedrooms which are marina facing and downtown facing. इसकी भी बहुत अच्छी USP है.
Right.
It is facing park. It is facing phase 8 without any obstacle. There is no distraction.
Right.
पीछे हमारा main road आ रहा है. And यहाँ से हमारे पास पूरा marina view है.
Perfect.
So we have 2 chance deals in these options. जो 2 layouts हैं.
So these chance deals, 4 beds and 2 beds, are on amazing prices, and we still have this opportunity कि जो लोग 2 beds या 4 beds perceive कर रहे हैं, please come understand. We will tell you about the rental revenues that you are expecting, the capital appreciation that is still there, and what people have already gained in these apartments. So I think for people who are looking to take the least risk and instant sort of a rental passive income and certain level of good capital appreciation as well, these are the opportunity. This is the tower that you should think about.